J-Drone here. What's going on, guys? This is a Hubsan X4 Desire, the Wi-Fi version that we're going to be connected to a real controller instead of a Bluetooth controller. And if you notice, we have tri-blades on it. A link for the tri-blades will be down below. That's basically what this video is about, the tri-blades. I am also doing something else. We're going to use a JJRC 610 milliamp an hour battery. Same voltage, same milliamp an hour, but 20C versus the regular 15C, and see what type of flight time we get. So we'll go ahead and just put this in the battery bay. The first thing we do need to do, though, is go ahead and turn this on. And once that's on, we will wait for the Wi-Fi, this to actually emit Wi-Fi, and then we will connect to that with our cell phone. And then we will turn this on, and then we'll go through app and bind the controller and the phone to the drone. If you haven't seen me do that before, it's a very simple process. Again, these blue lights here, hopefully you can see we have GPS that's already on. We have 2.4 gigahertz that's bouncing around. Wi-Fi just lit. So now we can go into our cell phone here. And we can go into our settings, and it's already connected. Smartphone. Really, smartphone. We'll go ahead and go into the Hubsan X Hubsan app. Shows the Xeno. To skip it, we need to get on the correct drone, which it was on the X4 Star Pro. That's the last one I used with this app. And we are going to be doing the H216A X4 Desire Pro. We are going to enter device. We're going to enter main device. And then once we do this, we then need to go into settings. Go into settings, we need to go into relay. We need to go and set up the relay connection to aircraft. We're going to plug in, or we can't set up a relay connection if the drone's not on now, can we? We're going to plug this in. And again, we're using a JJRC battery that has 5 higher C rating. So that's on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click refresh. And I see the drone there. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click connect. And again, this is in your relay section. You click on settings, you go to relay, and you establish the settings. Please restart the drone using the browser. Really? It wants me to restart everything. I don't want to restart everything. We're going to get out of settings. I'm not going to restart everything. It's showing me to do a compass calibration, so that's exactly what we are going to do. We're going to set that right there. We're going to do our compass calibration, and I'm just watching it on the screen. Now it wants nose down compass calibration. Bind aircraft to current device. We're going to go ahead and click OK. GPS accuracy test. We're going to click next step. I'm kind of holding this way for myself because I don't know if it's actually judging the cell phone or if it's judging the controller, because the controller does have GPS on it. GP accuracy test failed. That's fine. It did that last time, and maybe it's because I'm not resetting this, and maybe because this is showing weak GPS signal, which we're just going to go ahead and lift up. We are also going to, we're going to allow that to gather some satellites. It should gather satellites. We're going to, on our screen, get off of there. And I don't know that I can fire the motors. Yeah, I can. We'll fly it without GPS. Whole point in this is to test out the blades. We are dealing with a little bit of wind. Again, we're not locked on to, we're locked on to 4 satellites now. Woo, easy. I guess that wasn't too smart. Maybe I should have let it lock onto some satellites. Ooh, where's it going? Where's it going? Come on back this way. Wind might be a little bit strong for it, but as you can see, I did get it back. We got 5 satellites. Lightly bringing it down. Lightly bringing it down. And again, we're flying with that wind, which we shouldn't, because it's having a hard time with it. we're just gonna go ahead and, let's see here, I don't know. Whoa, wind's taking it. Come on, come on. I will note how high the wind is once I go inside. I would check it. It's pretty strong. So whether or not these props are allowing it to fly into the wind versus maybe it not being able to. And again, we're only locked onto 5 satellites. Super windy. A little bit windier than I had anticipated. Just go ahead and bring this guy over here for some camera loving. Come on. Look at it. We're sitting at 55% battery. Extremely aggressive flight here. What I want to do, I think I want to set it down. Shut down motors. I think I want to set it down. We're locked on 11 satellites now. I'm trying to see. I'm going to click on the quadcopter itself. We have waypoints, follow me, orbit mode, VR mode. And settings, no. I'm trying to see my settings here to see if I can. It's really windy. So maybe these props actually helped it fly in the wind a little bit. Alright, I'm not seeing anything to adjust speed. I would assume maybe that's the speed. That's for photo, video. That's for landing. Maybe we are on it. Uh-oh. We got a motor down. What's going on here? Maybe the screw cam loose? Could be screw. What's going on here? There we go. Dude, it's windy. Now this should actually be locked onto some satellites where it's going to remain in a position, which is fairly impressive due to this wind. You can see it's definitely wobbling around, but we are locked onto 11 satellites and it's holding. Again, that propeller, not sure what that's about. Not sure if maybe I have the screw tightened a bit too far, where it's causing a little bit of friction, or if we are going to encounter motor failure. I shouldn't foresee that we're going to encounter motor failure, just for the simple fact this drone's barely been flown. I'm going to click the follow on this. I don't know if it's actually going to do anything. Yeah, I didn't think so. What I can do is we'll go in app and click follow me mode. It's looking for GPS accuracy test. There, we'll get closer to it. Maybe it'll do it. Good GPS accuracy. So why are you landing? It's windy. Maybe it had to land to do that GPS accuracy test, which we passed it in the air anyway. So we're going to take it into follow me mode. Please take off first. Okay. And again, that one, I could only assume that maybe, or no, I don't know. It's having a hard time. It's not getting up. Battery level is 40%. I don't think that's our issue. I think we may have encountered I bet you that's way too far tightened. I think that's exactly what it is, because what I'm seeing here is free spin, free spin, free spin, not so free spin, which maybe 300% my fault for tightening that down too far. I'd still like to go up. We got 40% battery. Not doing it. It's not doing it. This might be the end of this. Lesson learned, don't tighten your screws down more than you should. It is not lifting up, man. That one's clearly spinning slower than the other ones. Ain't having it. Ain't having it. There we go. There, come on, you can do it. Nah, I think maybe that motor's shot or it's tightened way too far down. I'm going to see exactly which one it is. I think it's this one, and maybe go in the house, loosen it, and test. And if I get better results, yep. All right, so it's back right. If I get better results, we'll continue this review. If there is no more to this review, guys, I'm J-Drone. If you haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Don't over-tighten your screws. I really think that's what it is, because I'm feeling a little bit of resistance. Feeling a little bit of resistance, I think. So stay tuned, and if you don't see nothing, subscribe. Check out Drone Exclusive. It is an upcoming group on Facebook for members only. It's not open to everybody. There is a 99-cent fee, but that 99-cent fee will pay itself back in time. Check out the group to learn more. Link will be down below.